Hello everyone, I am Arpit Kumar Sharma and welcome back to Pabbly. So today I am going to tell you how you can send an automated email to Webflow form submission. Now let me just give you an example. Why would you need this? Suppose you are having a website through Webflow. Now what is happening? You have given 10 people's 10 tasks about creating 10 different pages. Now what will happen? Whenever they will create their page, they will have a form submission through Webflow, and when they will submit the form, what will happen? We will receive their page to us. Then we will check that page, and after checking that page, if we will feel that it is good or it is relevant to our website, we will make that page live on our server, and we are going to send an email to that person that the page you created is very good and we are putting it live on our website. So what will happen? Whenever he will do a form submission through Webflow, he will be automatically sent a mail through Gmail. Now to do this automation, we are going to use an integration and automation service, Pabbly Connect, which will help us connect Webflow and Gmail together. Now let us look at that example on our screen. So to learn this automation, you have to come with me to the screen. And now we are going to give it the name. So I'm just going to give it the name Webflow to Gmail. Because I'm connecting Webflow to Gmail, so I'm giving it this name. You can name it whatever you want to. It's completely up to you. Now click on create, and as soon as you will click on create, you will see that we have these two windows here. First one is trigger, second one is action. So trigger window is the window where an event is happening at the start of the process. Action window is the window where an event is happening at the end of the process or when the final event is happening. Now what we are going to do, first in trigger we are going to take Webflow. And in trigger event, we are going to have new form submission. Now, as soon as you will do that, you can see here we have the option of webhook URL. Now, webhook URL is the URL which will help us connect our Webflow account to our Pabbly Connect account. So here, what we have to do, you can see these are the instructions given here. You have to follow these instructions, and then you have to connect your Pabbly Connect account to your Webflow account. So I'm just going to follow these instructions. First, I will go to my Webflow. Now here, this is my page. So I will just open it. And after going to this page, I will just go here where this W is written for Webflow. Then I'll go to project settings. After going to project settings, I will go to integrations. And after going to integrations, we will look for webhooks. So you can see this is the webhook. Let me just delete this old webhook. So let us just delete this and add a new webhook. Now what we are doing here, so it is asking you to select the trigger type. The trigger type is form submission. So just go for form submission and webhook URL. So copy this webhook URL from Pabbly Connect account, go back and paste this webhook URL here. Click on add webhook and you can see now webhook has been added and our Pabbly Connect account is now connected to our Webflow account. Now what we will do, we will go back, and what we will do after going back, okay, I'm really sorry. Let us just go back once again. Open our page. And now what we have to do, we have to fill in this form which I have already made here. You can see name is this, email address is this, and page name is this. So I'm just going to put out... Oh, I'm really sorry. First, I have to publish it. I forgot to publish it. So I have to publish this form, and as soon as I will publish it, I'll just go back. After publishing, I'll just fill up this form. So let's just click on publish, publish to selected domains. And as soon as you will do this, you can see here the option is published successfully. Now let's go here. And now just fill out the form. So here I'm just putting in my name, Arpit Sharma. Email address, so I'm just putting in my email address, which is the social fever 2020@gmail.com, and page name. Now you can see here it is already given and written use hyphen for space and in lowercase. Now why am I using this? Because whenever somebody is making a page for my website, I want that page name to be added into a link which I can share everywhere and to that user as well. So for that, I need everything in lowercase letters and no space at all. And that is why I am going to use hyphen for that. So let us make a contact us page. So what we will do, we will use lowercase letters and we are going to use it contact us like this. Now we will click on submit. Now as soon as we will click on submit, you can see here the form submission has been done. We will go back to Pabbly Connect account and here we will have a webhook response, and you will see this is the webhook response, Arpit Sharma. This is the data email, the socialfever2020@gmail.com, and data page name is contact us. Okay. So our first step of connecting our Webflow to our Pabbly Connect account is complete. Now what we are going to do, we are going to use Gmail. So here in action step, we are going to send a new email. So let's just click on connect, add new connection, connect with Gmail. Now from where I am sending from this email here, ashira824@gmail.com. So I'll just select this and I'll click on continue. So you can see my authorization is successful. And now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to use a technique which is called mapping, which will let me take the data from this window here and it will let me put the data here in this window. So I'll just go here and map in the email, the socialfever2020@gmail.com. And I have this CC/BCC field. I do not want to put anything here. Sender name. So sender name is Ashirai. And now email subject. So we are just going to put the subject website page. Okay. And now what we are doing, we are not filling up this reply to email content is plain and email content. So now I am going to write the email content. So let me just write the email content and come back at you real quick. Okay. So this is the data which I have. Hi. And now here what I'm going to do, I'm going to map in the name of the person, Arpit Sharma. So hi Arpit Sharma, this is line break. Thanks for submission. Line break. Check your web page by this link, line break, and here page URL is this fantabulous dash site.webflow.io / and here we have to map in our result. What was our result? Contact us. So just data page name, contact us, and here also https://mandals fantabulous dash site.webflow.io / and here also you have to map in contact us. Okay, so this is the page and this is the mail. And now what we are going to do, we are just going to click on save and send test request because we do not want to put any attachment and all. And as soon as we will do that, you can see that the email has been sent. And now let us just open the Gmail and see if we got our mail or not. So let's just open the socialfever2020@gmail.com, and here you can see we have hi Arpit Sharma, thanks for submission. Check your web page by this link. Page URL is this, and we have to just click on this. And as soon as we will click on this, you can see it is saying the page you are looking for doesn't exist or has been moved. So you can see, and as soon as you will click on this, you will see a new web page will come. So thanks a lot for watching our video. I hope you understood everything. Now, if you want any other events to edit in our module, what you can do is you can mail us at admin@pabbly.com. If you have any queries regarding this software, you can just ask your queries at this website, at this link. And if you want to check the prices, you can visit here to this link and check the prices of the software. Now, I just want to tell you that automation is a boon for us and it can change the future, and I will suggest you to take this as quickly as possible, which will ease your task, save your time, and save you a lot of efforts. Thank you.